If you're not using TikTok to promote your brand, then you're missing out on a huge opportunity right now. It's easier than ever to create viral TikToks that bring in tons of new followers and sales. All you need is the right strategy. In this video, I'm going to show you how I create TikToks for my own dropshipping stores that bring in more sales than Facebook and Google ads combined. Remember to drop a like if this video helps you. My name's Alex. Let's get into it. All right, so really quickly, I just snapped a quick photo of the actual content setup I've been using for all of my own dropshipping stores TikToks over the past 2 weeks. I'll throw that right behind me real quick. But I just want you guys to take a quick look at that while I explain to you how I actually structure and film all of my own TikToks for my brands. I just bought a couple of different backdrops, some props, and some good quality lights for my TikToks. I spent less than $100, but now that these TikToks are performing so well, they're bringing in hundreds of thousands of dollars a month in revenue across all of my brands. Very small investment with a very large payout. But honestly, if you guys are just getting started, one of the best pieces of advice I can give to you guys when shooting TikToks is just to simply go outside. The lighting out there is better, the vibes out there are better, and I promise you, you guys' TikToks will perform so much better. I don't know why that is, but definitely go ahead and give it a try yourself. Now, before we actually get into this content setup, I want to talk about the 3 most important parts of any TikTok. If you guys don't know these already, you shouldn't be filming any TikToks for your dropshipping store until you can master all of this. The number 1 most important part of any TikTok, hands down, is your hook. With a bad hook, your video will always perform poorly. If your audience doesn't like the first couple seconds of any TikTok, they'll keep scrolling, and there goes any hopes you have of getting on the For You page. Without the For You page, your TikTok won't go viral and you guys won't make any sales. So let's talk about how to make a good hook. Many times you guys see the same saturated hooks being used over and over by the same brands, and they wonder why they're not making any sales. You guys have to be very creative here and put in a ton of effort. Say something quick and interesting that's gonna wanna make them stay and watch the rest of the video. You guys can even use some type of weird video that makes them wanna stick around and watch the rest. Or you guys can actually just say something controversial that makes them go to the comment section to see what is everyone saying about this. Just scroll through TikTok each week and look at some of the best performing hooks. Don't recreate them, but simply use them as a reference for all of your own TikToks, as you guys can pick up on some of these trends yourself. The second most important part of any TikTok is your offer or your call to action. Without a proper call to action, your audience doesn't know where to go and actually purchase your product, so they might do some research and find it from a competitor cheaper and purchase it from them. You guys need to have a strong offer in your TikTok. You guys can't just say, oh, get it for 50% off today only. Click the link in my bio. No, you guys want a strong offer with a really strong call to action at the end of your video that gets them to go on your profile and take action. Number 3, just like dropshipping, is your SEO, your captions and your hashtags. With this, TikTok knows who to show your videos to and find the right audience based on the topics that you discuss. You don't want to leave this out. It's very important. So if you guys have been dropshipping for any time now, you guys know how easy it used to be back in the day when you could just go on AliExpress, download a couple videos from your supplier and repurpose them into a couple simple ads with some text on the front of them. Those days were so simple and those ads performed so well. But those days are long gone with TikTok and organic content taking over. Now all you guys have to start ordering these products yourself and start shooting your own custom content. And if this is something that you guys aren't comfortable with, then you might want to outsource it to a UGC creator. Lucky for me, I have the best combination on earth. I'm a dropshipper. My wife is a UGC creator, so she creates most of my brand's content for me and already knows what goes into each viral TikTok. So I can offer you guys some best practices when you go to shoot your own content. Number 1 being keep each clip between 1 to 4 seconds. You guys want to change scenes about every 3 seconds to keep your audience engaged. Honestly, the human attention span gets worse and worse every year. You really see that as a marketer. And TikTok is not helping at all. You guys are gonna wanna remake viral videos and trends with your own take on them. And definitely use any viral sounds that you guys can find to your advantage. Obviously, test out different hooks and try adding controversy to your videos. Just simply go outside, use some type of prop, or use a product photo box. It's easier than ever to start creating high quality content for your brand in 2023. And if you guys need any help along the way, feel free to reach out and ask for a hand, as I'm always here to help. So the most basic and simple formula for a TikTok is good lighting, good backdrop, some type of content studio, whether it's outside or you guys put something together really well in your house. You guys need a good hook, keep it very fast and engaging, remake any viral trends or videos that you guys can find with your own touch on it, and just keep creating. If you guys keep putting content out there, something will for sure stick and pick up, and you guys will get the hang of it very fast. All right, that's some of my best advice when you're creating TikToks for your dropshipping stores. That's all I've got for today. If you guys found any value in this video, remember to drop a like, share with others, and subscribe for more. I have quite a few e-com resources for you guys to check out in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.